Now, a battle over the next general election date is still brewing. Constitutional lawyer Willis Otieno has formally written to the Chief Justice requesting the hearing of an application that seeks leave to admit a petition challenging the legality of holding the election in August 2027. Petitioners contend that holding the election in August 2027 would violate Article 136(2)(a) of the Constitution, which requires a presidential election to be held in the 5th year, not the 6th. This development comes just hours after IEBC Chairman Erastus Ethekon firmly stated that the date of the next ballot remains unchanged unless a court of law decides otherwise.
The 2027.
It is a legal storm quietly gaining momentum, just as the Electoral Commission assures the nation that the August 2027 general election is still on schedule. But according to constitutional lawyer Willis Otieno, the law says otherwise. The petitioners insist that the second Tuesday of August 2027 would fall on the 6th year since the last election, violating Article 136 Clause 2A of the Constitution, which states an election of the President shall be held on the second Tuesday in August in every 5th year. Now the lawyer is requesting Chief Justice Martha Koome to list for hearing the application, seeking leave to admit a petition challenging the 2027 election date. This comes just hours after IEBC Chairperson Erastus Ethekon spoke with conviction, stating that the date is still August 2027 unless directed otherwise by the courts.
And if it is litigated and the court decides instead of what we think is the election date in 2027, if they decide it's next week, so it should be next week. Because they decide next year, as some people are proposing. So as long as we receive a lawful court order from our independent judiciary.
Speaking at a consultative roundtable between the IEBC and media organizations, Ethekon was quick and confident to address long-standing concerns about electoral malpractice and vote rigging.
Going for 2027, I personally don't think they'll be stealing of votes. It's almost an impossibility.
The IEBC chair also touched on early campaigns, calling them a grey area that is hard to police. He says the law is vague and what counts as early campaigning is often subjective. The ball now rests on the Chief Justice as Kenyans brace for the legal interpretation that could shift the electoral timeline and reshape the political landscape.
Next photo, the member.
Victor Ngaruya, NTV.